Hey everyone, this is a Paraspora trading review covering the dates between April 13th and April 26th, so weeks 16 and 17 of 2026. During the period, across Binance and Bybit, the total P&L was plus 328.5 USDT with an average order size of 1,687 USDT. There were a total of 420 trades with 309 profits and 111 losses for a profit-to-loss ratio of 2.78. Let's see what's been running on each exchange to arrive at this result. First, Binance. There were two strategies running. The Honey Badger, which is ultra-low distance shots on a strict whitelist of coins, as described in another video, and another, yet unnamed shot strategy. It is basically a test-to-live setup for a single medium distance on the buy side using coins structurally pre-selected based on leverage, tick size, and daily volume. Once every few days, good test performers are promoted to live with additional filters. So, the pure P&L across both strategies was plus 276.6 USDT for an ROE of 11.4% at average order size of about 2,400 USDT across 182 trades. The 305.2 USDT that you see up here includes an estimated adjustment for stop-loss squeezes beyond minus 100% of margin, which Binance tends to refund. The simple nameless strategy was the superior of the two, netting 390 USDT for an ROE of 20.4% and a respectable 4.09 profit-to-loss ratio. Honey Badger, on the other hand, lost 104 USDT for an ROE of minus 3%. It started out okay initially, then on the 18th, one coin took a major beating. The strategy was put to sleep for a bit. On the next attempt at revival, it immediately took another beating. So, the Honey Badger is sleeping until it starts testing better again. Let's do the same for Bybit. Here, the same two strategies were employed, netting a total of 52 USDT for an ROE of 4.6% at an average order size of about 1,100 USDT across 236 trades. Honey Badger here managed to survive with plus 27.4 USDT and plus 1.5% ROE. The nameless strategy performed relatively better with 4.9% ROE, but due to small average order size, it netted almost the same, 24.7 USDT. Plus, this strategy was launched somewhat later than on Binance. On Bybit, starting out at the same distance of 2.4 showed that for the selected coins, barely any promising trading was happening. So the testing moved down to 1.9 and eventually to 1.55. And so did the live version, but in a more careful manner. I used variable order size option in MoonTrader, and that's where the order size ended up. Now for some highlights. The worst coin award goes to AAVE. It lost a combined 231 USDT across both exchanges. Its combined profit-to-loss ratio was 0.76, and it managed to find a loophole in my performance filter setup. I used algo symbol to send the coin to sleep if it loses over 1% in 3 hours. But since I had 4 levels of orders set up, it managed to keep on trading by losing just under 1% on each algorithm, and only went to sleep after losing over 4% in total on Bybit and just about 3% on Binance. The Lying in Wait award goes to USDT. On the 25th, it lost 46 USDT in one shot, which is over 2% of the order size. And, like the good boy it is, it went to sleep for 24 hours. Meanwhile, the test algo kept running, and for the next full day, exactly nothing happened on this coin. Then, it comes out of sleep, immediately loses another 45 USDT in exactly the same manner, and goes back to sleep as if nothing happened. The actual Good Boy award is shared by Cross and Pippin on Binance. They managed to squeeze a 2% take out of a 2.4% distance. Neither had a loss in this period, and together they made almost 100 USDT in 6 trades. This concludes the review for weeks 16 and 17, 2026. Thanks for watching.